Hello, welcome in INLUX HUB. We are thankful to you, giving your time and watching ours videos. Stay with us and enjoy the videos. Today in this video we will discuss passive income ideas and related terms. Let's get started. Number 1. What's a passive income? Passive income is money that just shows up in your bank account month after month while you're sleeping. It's reoccurring income that takes little or no effort on your part to earn and maintain. Setting up passive income streams means you can spend your time on other activities, and your earning potential is unlimited. Everyone aspires to generate a passive income so they may retire wealthy and live their life to the fullest. Passive income is important because it creates stability, security, and freedom in your financial life. Number 2. How to start making a passive income. Passive income ideas run the gamut from easy to difficult, low return to high risk to low. Consider what your financial goals are when factoring in which options to choose and be sure they match. There are a couple primary ways to make a passive income stream. One way is through a monetary investment. The other way is through an investment of your time, such as starting a side hustle. Number 3. How many income sources should we have? There is no one-size-fits-all approach, but for beginners I recommend you pick 2 or 3 from the list below we are giving. Don't try to invest in now. Each passive income idea has a learning curve. First learn and then start earning. Let's move. Passive income ideas. If you're thinking about creating a passive income stream, check out these 10 ideas and learn what it takes to be successful with you. It will change your life if you use these ideas smartly and play good. Number 1. Create course and teach. One popular strategy for passive income is creating an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare and Coursera. If you have any knowledge or any skill, you can start your class session in which you can teach your students. For example, if you are a gymnastic, a fitness trainer, chef or footballer, among others, you can record videos doing the exercises and send them to various online sites, where the more people subscribe and watch the videos the more you earn. Number 2. Invest in stock exchange. The stock exchange market is one of the platforms where you can earn your income. It requires knowledge of the market to be able to profit from it. Patience is one of the virtues necessary here. You have to observe the increase and decrease of the market. You will have to know where to predict the increase or decrease of the market, and once you can observe it perfectly, you can earn a lot of cash from it. You can learn more about starting your stock exchange investment on various sites. Stock can either be high or low dividend. Stocks typically have a higher return potential. Number 3. Blogging. Having your blogging account is one of the ways of earning money in your own free time or the comfort of your home. Many of the most successful bloggers are the ones who blog about what they love doing. Putting content on your blog for other people to see, finding out what other people like, and talking about it. If you like to travel, you can be posting about your adventures and earning through things like marketing the places you visit. All you need to start is purchasing a domain name, and you are good to go. Number 4. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is one of the internet platforms that people are earning easy money from. Find out what people like and create content based on that. Create your audience, and if people like your content, the more you have viewed, the more you earn. YouTube pays according to the number of views you get on the videos you post. Many people have become insanely rich by just doing funny or educational content on YouTube. Don't just be a participant. Create your channel today and start posting items. This way, you will grow slowly and start earning and learning. Number 5. Rental income. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn passive income. If you have an extra space in your home or an empty room you no longer use, you can convert this opportunity by renting it out and earning. Many people are looking for cheap and alternative places to stay. If you can grab this opportunity and rent the space out, you will be guaranteed a monthly income. However, go down these set rules to the new roommate. This will make your work easy, and you remember to take important information and documentation for safety purposes. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media, influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best-known affiliate partner, but eBay, a win and share a sale are among the larger names, too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because, in theory, you can earn money just by adding a link to your site or social media account. Number 7. Write an ebook. What a great way to start earning your passive income. Ebook writing has been one of the ways to accommodate more and more writers to share their ideas and stories. You can publish a book on online sites like Amazon and apps like the Light Reader and be amazed at how much you can earn from this. Although you feel like you have no idea how to do this or write, you can hire a writer to write for you. You'll need to be an expert on a specific topic, but the topic could be niche and use some special skills or abilities that very few offer but that many readers need. Number 8. Sell products. There are varieties of homemade products that are in high demand. Many people have sold more and more stuff online, saving them the cost of renting a shop and paying for business permits every year. The internet has become a small village where you can find everything you need with a click. You can create some nice DIY products, sell or prepare delicious meals, and do deliveries. This might require a little bit of your time. You can advertise your products on eBay, Amazon, and Alibaba, etc. This way, you will own your store where you can advertise your products. Number 9. Freelancing. The freelancing business involves rendering services at your own convenient time. You can be an app developer, a writer, or maybe an editor. People are looking for a specialist who can offer and solve different services and pay them at an agreed amount of money for the job done. You don't have to be there or meet the person. They will assign a job to you and wait for it to be delivered on time as agreed. You can sell your services on different online sites and get paid once you complete the work assigned to you. Number 10. Sell designs online. If you have design skills, you may be able to turn them into a moneymaker by selling items with your printed designs on them. Businesses such as Cafe Press and Zazzle allow you to sell items such as t-shirts, hats, mugs and more with your own designs. You can start with your own designs and see what the market is interested in, and expand from there. You can also set up your own web storefront through a site such as Shopify to market your goodies. At the end we will say, with passive income you can have money coming in even as you pursue your primary job, or if you're able to build up a solid stream of passive income, you might want to kick back a little. Either way, a passive income gives you extra security. It is earning extra money without putting in too many resources or time. It's not a get-rich-quick as many people may think. Some of these works don't require much effort. Like others, you can do them conveniently. It requires knowledge, little time, and investment. This type of income is generated through managing the assets that you have. Good luck and share videos to friends so they will learn more info.